I've got a unique skill set. I have a skill set that very few dentists in my area have because I'm a student. You know, the word doctor in Latin means student, and the best doctors are students for life. I've completed multiple diplomat accreditations. I'm a board-credentialed diplomat of the American Board of Oral Implantology, one of 350 in the world. That was a very rigorous examination schedule of showing cases that I've done, surgeries I've performed start to finish, from extractions to bone grafting to implant placement to reconstruction. I've been trained in orthodontics by the department head of the University of Detroit and the University of California at San Francisco. I've studied and taught with Dr. Terry Tanaka at UCSD Medical School in his restorative and TMJ study group. He is the prosthodontist that cured Burt Reynolds of his TMJ problem. I've trained with some of the best endodontists in the world, best oral surgeons and periodontists. I've been trained by the Dr. Brannemark and his world-famous doctors in the Brannemark Clinic in Sweden in 1996. I have a broad array of skills where, fortunately, I can keep most of the treatment you need in my office. So you have one continuous place with the same smiling faces and caring staff to help take care of you from the moment you walk in the door to the moment your care is completed in our continuing care relationship. A lot of doctors only do this or only do that, and you're going from one office to another, and everyone's had an experience where the ball gets dropped and communication gets lost and feelings get hurt or something goes on. We don't have that. Now, I also have a wonderful group of specialists who, when you need the best, you're going to them, and they're going to earn their keep.